Once you sign into Study Island from the SIS, you should see this home screen. On the left-hand side, if you click on My Classes, this will take you to see all of the classes that you are currently enrolled in. Students that were here last year may be enrolled still in previous year's courses, so you can just ignore those and focus on the one that is up to date, and that would be this one, ELA Section 2, Crystal Noggle as the teacher. So this is where all of your assignments for ELA will be posted this year, and in order to view what you have coming up, you would just click on View Assignments. And as you can see, there is an ELA diagnostic test that is due by Friday, September 7th, 2018 at the end of the day. To get started on that, you would just click on the Start button. And again, you will see what you have to do. The instructions are to please complete this pretest on your own. Try your best. This should be completed by the end of the day on Friday, September 7th, 2018. Now, the diagnostic test has 30 items on it, so it is a little bit lengthy, but I just want you to try your very best. So when you're ready, you will click on Diagnostic Test. You will choose Practice Mode. And then it will take you right into the test. As you can see, you're going to read the passage on the left-hand side. Once you're finished reading the passage on the left-hand side, you'll answer the question on the right. So choose A, B, C, or D, and then click Submit, and it will take you to the next question. If you want to resume your session later, let's say you want to take a break, all you have to do is click on Save Session, and you can click OK, and it will take you out. You can click Done, and then it will take you back to this main page. So once you are finished with the test, make sure that you log out of Study Island so that it can make sure that we record your score. So please click on Log Out, and that is how you use Study Island.